Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can set up Facebook pixel or Meta pixel view content and add to cart event with the help of Google Tag Manager, and it's for Shopify website. If you can understand this process, then you will be able to set up for any kind of website. Doesn't matter. We use MetaPixel to optimize our ads so that we can get good result by retarget our audiences precisely. That is why we set up MetaPixel. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we have to enable the detail layer, and I already enabled the detail layer for the Shopify store with the help of customer events. Here you can see this is my data layer. Okay, that's great. And I connect this Google Tag Manager with this website. So our data layer is enabled as well as the Google Tag Manager is connected. Now I need to create some variables. Here you can see there are some variable lists. So you can see this is for view content event and this is for add to cart. So I have to first create these variables. So if I preview the GTM, our event is view content and add to cart. So let's view a product. Here you can see the view item event is fired. And if I click on add to cart, then add to cart event is also fired. Here you can see. So I already created these variables. If I show you, then you will understand. If I go to the variable sections, here you can see I already created these variables. I created all these variables based on my data layer because here is a schema which is for Facebook pixel or browser site. Here you can see it's following the Facebook schema. However, since I already created these variables, now I need to create the tags. So just go to tags, click on new, and select the Facebook pixel tag. And right here Facebook pixel ID, this is my Facebook pixel ID, and our event will be view content. And now need to send the object properties, I mean parameters. So our first parameter is value, paste it here, then currency, content IDs. So let's call the property value. Well, now I need to choose a trigger. So if I show you, then you can see here I created this trigger based on my custom events. This is my event. Yeah, this one. Just select this one and write a name. Now we need to create add to cart event. Again, go to new and select the Facebook pixel ID. The event will be add to cart. Select here from object properties. Go to documentation. Here you can see copy this parameter name on by on. Yep. Now property value. Well, now I need to again choose the trigger for add to cart. So I already created the add to cart event as like if the view item. Just select this one and write a name. Just click on save. So now we can test the events are firing properly or not. To test it, we can preview the GTM, as well as we can take a look at the event manager and metaphysical helper. So go to dataset, and if I click on preview, this is my pixel. Just go to test events, and here you can see the tag manager is connected. And if I view your product, view item, the view content tag is fired, and here is the data like value. This is the value you can see here, and this is the currency, content ID, then content name, and this is the contents. Okay, if I go to the event manager, here you can see view content event is fired, and here you can also see all this data are received perfectly. So let's click on AddToCart. Here you can see AddToCart event is fired, and here all this data are available. So in this way, you can actually set up the view content and AddToCart event for MetaPixel. I already published a video about how you can set up purchase event for MetaPixel. If you would like to watch this video, then you can explore my channel. I hope you will find it. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and share. As well as if you need any help, feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, goodbye.